Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the innovative Delta Faucet Essa Touch Kitchen Faucet in Arctic Stainless, a game changer for your kitchen with its touch-on, touch-off technology that allows you to activate the water flow with just a touch of your wrist or forearm, keeping your faucet clean even with messy hands. This faucet is designed with Delta's Touch2O technology, which intelligently distinguishes between a touch and a grab, minimizing false activations, and features a TempSense LED indicator light that changes color to reflect the water temperature, so you can check it from across the room. The MagnaTite Docking system uses a powerful magnet to keep the pull-down sprayer securely in place, preventing drooping over time, while the patented diamond seal technology ensures a leak-free operation that lasts twice as long as the industry standard. Installation is a breeze, fitting both single-hole and three-hole configurations, with everything you need included in one box, and the faucet's InnoFlex PEX supply lines are integrated to reduce leak points. Plus, the touch clean spray holes make maintenance easy, allowing you to wipe away calcium and lime buildup with just a touch of your finger, eliminating the need for harsh chemical cleaners. Powered by batteries for up to 5 years or an optional AC adapter, this faucet combines convenience and longevity, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.